Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. So it's been quite a long time since I've posted a video. It's been like 3 to maybe even 4 months since I last posted a long form video on this channel. And one of the main reasons as to why is because I have started to have a mindset and I want to start doing a content shift on this channel. I've just been thinking over this for a very long time, and I sort of came to this realization that money is very important, but you also want to make sure that you have your spiritual life and your health with Jesus Christ as well. And that actually comes number one before your financials and making any type of money. And I thought about this for a very long time because I was always thinking, like, what can be that one product that I could sell and make a whole bunch of money with and change a whole bunch of lives? But I've started to realize that the most important thing in life is salvation, and also that's the most important thing that you can talk to people about and that people can have in their lives. So on this channel, I'm actually making a content shift from doing drop shipping or e-commerce related content, and we're actually going to be talking about different things in the Bible. We're going to be talking about facts from the Old Testament, from the New Testament. It's going to be really cool because I'm going to cover topics that you guys probably didn't even know about. And I need you guys to understand that if you have a really good relationship with God in your life, and that's going to spread out and seep into every other part of your life, whether that's your physical health, your mental health, even your financial health. So it's very important to put him number one. And I promise you guys, if you do this, you're going to be able to see success in all areas of your life. And he's going to give you the strength to be able to do these things. And the type of content that I'll be posting is also going to be involved with self-help. So it's going to be finding things that are within God's word that you can apply to your life in order to see success. And by pushing out this content, I know I'll also be able to hold you guys accountable, and not only that, hold myself accountable to adhere to the word. And not only will I be posting long form content, I'll also post short form content as well for people that can't stay too long. And don't get it twisted, you guys, I still do e-commerce. I still make all my money from e-commerce. I still make money from Shopify. I've been dabbling around with Amazon again, and I've really been trying to maximize and test out different sources of income. But I'm really excited to take you guys along the journey. And to be honest with you, after going through a ton of reflection, I think I have a lot better passion behind this type of content when it comes to talking about the Bible, Jesus, God, different facts, as compared to just creating e-commerce or dropshipping content that seems to be rinse and repeat all the time. And another realization I had is that, and although you may grow up hearing about God, all these different stories, when you actually read the word, you'll see little details that you probably didn't even know about, and other ones that can actually completely change your life or make you question a lot of things. Now, I know a lot of you guys are probably skeptical too, right? You're probably like, oh, well, I don't really believe in God, or this isn't something that I'm comfortable with or comfortable thinking or talking about. But I guarantee you, if you actually put time into reading the word and doing a little bit of research for yourself and not just taking everyone's word as fact, you'll be quite amazed at what you discover. And hopefully you guys got a lot better understanding of where I'm transitioning in this channel, and expect content every single week. And some of you guys may not even care about this new content I'm about to post, and that's fine. You can unsubscribe. I get it. But for you guys that are riding along, I promise you I'll push out some really good content that could potentially change your life. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video coming out soon. Peace out.